Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is David T. Kramer coming to you live from my kitchen here. Well, this won't be live. It'll probably be out on YouTube if I put it out there. Right now I've got some garlic and some onions and some bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bell pepper, and 1 onion, actually half of a big onion. And I'm sauteing them in my Instapot right now. See, getting that onion kind of caramelized and sweetened up a little bit. And then I'm going to add in my beans here in just a minute. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. But let me show you my little recipe on my card here, right here. Cut 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. That smoked makes a difference. I don't use 2 teaspoons of salt, I only use 1 teaspoon of salt. And then a can of Rotel or something similar. What I'm using today, instead of Rotel, is some diced jalapeno and tomatoes with jalapenos. I'm going to use that. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to put in 1 pound of pinto beans. These pinto beans have been sorted and soaked. I didn't soak them as long as I usually do, but you know, I'm probably going to set this thing a little bit longer since I didn't soak them as long as I'd like to. Okay, 2 quarts of water. This is reverse osmosis filtered water. 2 quarts. You know, really want this to be soupy, and I know those beans are going to soak up a little more, so I'm gonna go a little more than 2 quarts. I'm just gonna throw in just a little bit more water here. Yeah, make sure it's soupy enough. Then we're going to throw in the diced tomatoes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And we're going to set our Instapot. I'm going to put it on meat and stew. And it says 38 minutes, but you know what? I didn't soak these babies but only about 5 hours. I like my beans done. I'm gonna set that puppy on at least 55 minutes. Put on our lid. Set it. And don't do that. Let's do that again. Here we go. Boom. Meat and stew. 55 minutes. 56 minutes. And we just, that puppy will warm up. Get going there here in a little bit. Steam up. Once it steams up, this little thing will come up right here. And then it'll stay on until it gets to that point. And then it'll start counting down 56 minutes. And then when it's done 56 minutes, it'll make that noise. Wow, how easy is that? How easy is that? What? Are you kidding me? That is the easiest way to fix up some beans. And, you know, dry beans. And I already told you they're cheap, man. They're so cheap. It's crazy. Well, and now I'm gonna make some rice, basmati rice to go with this. And then I got my 80 tortillas for only $2.57. Actually, these are some other ones my wife bought. We already finished off that other 80. This is a little bit different brand. Costs a little bit more money, but they didn't have the one I wanted, so, but these are kind of cool. I like them. All right, well, that's what's for lunch today, Grandpa. And I'll catch you all next time. Bye.